Why is it when you ask a question on Facebook, you can never get a straight answer? Take the Volkswagen here. If you ever ask a question on a Volkswagen page on Facebook, you're going to get 100 different answers. And then if you try to read through those answers, you realize those people are just fighting with each other instead of just actually giving an answer. Someone asked the question, how do I check the compression on this thing? Or more so, what should the compression numbers be on these cars? There was no straightforward answer. Some people were saying you should check it cold. Some people say you should check it hot. Some people were saying if you don't have 170 PSI, then the engine's junk, which is funny because I vaguely remember checking compression on this thing years ago, and I think the highest number I ever got was 90. Who knows if even that's right? That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna put that theory to the test of how do you check the compression on this thing? Do you check it hot? Do you check it cold? Or what numbers, like will the numbers change really? First, check the compression of it cold. This thing hasn't been run today, ice cold. We'll check the compression, write down the numbers, start it up like we did the last time when we did the valves, let it run for an hour, get to 140-degree oil temp, and then we'll check it again. Only one little issue with that, I believe last time the thing stopped charging and died, so we will have to try to figure that out, but I think the battery is strong enough, it will run it at idle for an hour anyway, so even if it's not charging, that's not gonna be a problem. I'm gonna get you closer, we're gonna check the compression on it, cold, and then we'll fire it up and we'll go from there. All right, I got my notepad, I got my compression tester, and I got the little remote switch hooked to the starter. So we're gonna start with number one, work down the line. I'll show you the numbers, we'll fire it up, and we'll go. And we'll truly put to the test. Do you check this thing hot, or do you check it cold? Or do the numbers actually even change? So does it even matter? That's the one I'm interested about. Hold this so you can see it. Cylinder number one. All right, so we're at about 70 PSI. Okay, 70. Right, that seems really low. I can't wait to do this once the engine's red hot. That's gonna be a blast. All right, number two has like 100. And that's the best one at like 100. Again. Cylinder 1, 70, 2, 100, 4, 90, and 3, 100. Let's put the plugs back in it, start it up, let it get up to temp, and check it again. Hopefully those numbers improve because some of that's way too big of a spread. All right, well, we did both compression check, cold and hot, and I guess it's safe to say you should be checking your engine hot. The numbers increased considerably. I mean, 1 is up by 50 PSI, 3 is up by 20 PSI. Same thing with 2 and 4. But yeah, I guess the correct answer for the way to check the compression on this car is to check it hot. Now, I would check them both cold and hot. I mean, you're doing it anyways. It's pretty interesting. I mean, I figured there was going to be a number difference, but I didn't realize there was going to be that big of a difference in the compression from cold to hot. I guess it makes sense. I mean, this engine, it is designed to expand and seals up and everything, so yeah. I guess next time, if you're going to check the compression on your Beetle, warm it up first. Anyways, till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.